And my aunt was actually a welder. And so this was back in the 90s, and there weren't a lot of women in the field. And she was working for the US Navy. And when I got older, I didn't want to go to college. And she said I can go into a trade and, make good money. So she suggested it, and then I followed through. So when you're in school, you're just trying to learn how to weld, how to form two pieces of metal into one. That's the first thing. And so there's different types of welding for different jobs. And so Allstate, they just gave us a little bit of everything. They taught us a little of every type of welding, so when we got into the field, we were prepared. So when I got into the field out of Allstate, I was more prepared than some guys who were already working because I had learned so many different things. Growing up in school, we're already preconditioned to think we have to go to college and we have to do this to make good money. But I know guys are in trades that are making 80 to 100,000 a year in my company that I work for now. But people don't, focus on that. They just think they have to go to college because that's what they're told. But you can make a lot of money in the trades and have stability and take care of your family and have a good life. So Allstate helped me do that because when I got with Allstate, I was able to learn a skill that I can not just take to a job, but I can also become my own boss one day and start my own company. This skill, no one can ever take away from you. A job can be taken from you, but your skills can't. So that's what I was provided by coming to Allstate, and that's how it changed my life and was able to, financially make me independent. I think I'm most excited about buying a house. That's my number one goal, I'm most excited about the fact that I was able to learn these skills, and one day I could be an entrepreneur from what I learned here, and I could, build a nice life for my family.